And we are going to discuss today mass and weight, free fall, gravitational potential energy, and the next is a what? Escape velocity. Now come to the first this topic, mass and weight. This is a very important. It is asked in your exam. Maybe distinguish between mass and the weight. Otherwise differences between mass and weight. Let we first discuss what is the mass. So mass is the amount of matter present in the object. So this is the definition of a mass. Mass is a what? Amount of a matter present in the object. Now the SI unit of a mass is a what? Kilogram. So what is a CGS unit of a mass? CGS unit of a mass is a gram. Next, mass is a scalar quantity and its the value is the same everywhere. Its value, that means what? Its value is the same everywhere. That means its value is a what? Constant. Its value does not change even when we go to the another planet. So that means mass is a constant everywhere. Now come to the next part, that is a weight. So how to define the weight? The weight of an object is defined as the force with which the earth attracts the object. So this is the definition of a weight. Now come to the here, the force F on an object of a mass m on the surface of a earth can be written using the equation. So weight we represent as a W, and this weight is equal to what? Force, that is a F, and that is a formula what? Mg. Now what is the value of a G? G is equal to Gm upon R square. So this is the formula for the weight. So weight is equal to force. What is the SI unit of a force? SI unit of a force is a what? Newton, and CGS unit is a what? Dyne. So weight is equal to force, that's why unit is a same. So the weight is a force, the SI unit of a weight is a Newton, and CGS unit is a what? Dyne. It is a what? Which quantity? Vector quantity. And weight there is a formula what? Mg. Because of a small g, the value of a g is not the same everywhere. So the weight of an object change from place to place. That means the weight is not a constant, that is a changes everywhere. So the weight of an object change from place to place, and the weight is a what? Which quantity? Vector quantity. Now come to the next topic, that is a free fall. So what is a free fall? When a body falls towards the earth under the influence of the earth's gravity alone, its motion is called the free fall. So in a free fall, body comes to the surface of a earth with the uniform acceleration. Initial velocity may be 0, but it increases at the every time interval due to acceleration due to gravity. So, and the free fall is possible only in the what? Vacuum area. And the example is the what? The moon and the artificial satellites are the moving only under the influence of the gravitational field of the earth. Thus they are the free fall. Now here one is a very simple example. The tree leaves. The tree leaves also falls on the earth. That is also known as a what? Free fall. Now come to the next topic, that is a what? Gravitational potential energy. So we know very well what is the definition of the potential energy. You studied in the 9th standard. That is a what? The energy stored in an object because of its the position. Our state is called the potential energy. and this energy is relative and the increase as we go to the greater height from the surface of earth. That means if we go up the surface of the earth, so that energy means what? Potential energy is what? Increases. A body can have energy because of a shape or position or configuration. This is known as a what? Potential energy. So this is a definition of the potential energy. What? A body can have energy because of is the shape or position or configuration. This is known as a potential energy. Now here is the one formula. The gravitational potential energy at the height h from the ground is minus gmm upon r plus h. Now here what is the g here? G is a what? Gravitational constant. What is the m? M and the r, that is a capital M and the capital R are the earth's mass and the radius. That means capital M is a what? Mass of earth, and the R is a what? That is a radius of the earth respectively. Now come to the our next topic, that is a what? Escape velocity. So how to define the escape velocity? So escape velocity, it is defined as is that the initial velocity of an object by which it overcomes the earth gravitational attraction, and that escape velocity we have to denote as the VESC, can be calculated by, there is a one formula. So we have to calculate the escape velocity. So that is a formula is a what? V escape velocity is equal to in under root 2gr. So this is a formula for what? Escape velocity. Thank you very much.